Now we continue about how to translate question tag of English into Bahasa Indonesia. That's very easy because Indonesia only has one question tag. Okay, even though in English we have many tenses refers to the auxiliary or the to be we use on the tag question. So in Bahasa Indonesia we can only translate into one suffix or one particle in Bahasa Indonesia. For example, the three sentences are in simple present, and this is the positive in simple present, this is negative in simple present, and this is the present perfect, positive and negative, and this is future. And all tenses in English, if we translate into Bahasa Indonesia using question tag, that's very easy. Please pay attention. You are Bobby, aren't you? Okay, because this is positive statement and then question tag will be negative. You are Bobby, aren't you? So in Bahasa Indonesia, kamu Bobby kan? So we add kan at the end of the sentence. Okay, kamu Bobby kan? You are Bobby, aren't you? Kamu Bobby kan? Okay. If the answer is yes I am, or yes I am Bobby, or no I'm not Bobby, saya bukan Bobby. Remember, in Bahasa Indonesia, negative usually we say bukan or tidak ya. Okay, this is in negative. In Bahasa Indonesia we use bukan or tidak. Okay, number 2, she eats the cake, doesn't she? Dia makan kue itu kan? Yes. So we only use kan behind or the end of the sentence. Okay, so that's very easy if we translate English question tag into Bahasa Indonesia or Indonesian language. So we only need the particle or the suffix kan we add at the end of the question tag sentences. For number 3, they did a mistake, didn't they? Mereka melakukan kesalahan kan? Ya, okay. Harry doesn't come today, does he? Harry tidak datang hari ini kan? So we only add the word kan at the end. So kan refers to the question tag in Bahasa Indonesia. Okay, so all tenses in English. So if we translate question tag all tenses in English, so we only need kan to refer to the question tag in Bahasa Indonesia. So I do hope you understand what is the question tag in Bahasa Indonesia. So thank you so much. I'm Gunawan Tamu Saribu. I'll see you next with another topic. Goodbye.